Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be removing the BIOS password, or I'll say firmware password from this MacBook. So the client gave me this laptop and asked to remove the firmware password. As you can see here, this is firmware locked and the client does not remember their firmware password. So now I'll be removing the motherboard from this laptop and then try to remove the firmware password. For that, I'll be opening the screws of this MacBook. Now the back lid is open. Now I'm gonna take out all the screws and I will make sure that I'll try to keep track of where each screw comes from so that it'll make my life easier when I'm putting it back. So for this motherboard, I'm gonna use my preheater. This is the preheater which I bought from Amazon. I'll be using this to preheat the board because this board is very thick. So I need to make sure I'm heating the board completely before trying to take out the BIOS chip. Now this board looks hot enough, so I'll use my hot air gun to heat up this BIOS chip and around the area. I'll try to go smooth and slow so that we don't damage any parts or any registers around this chip. So this is the BIOS chip called WSON6X5. I will pick this chip. So I have programmed my chip now. Let's install the chip again and see if it's gonna work or not. I will use the same procedure. I'm gonna heat up my plate. I'm gonna heat up my preheater at 200 degrees. And then I'm gonna use my hot air station to heat up the board from the top as well. This chip is soldered now. Now I will put this back in the laptop and power on the laptop to see if the password is removed or not. Before putting this motherboard back, I will be cleaning the motherboard to take out any residue flux. I'll be using isopropyl alcohol and this cloth and give it a good scrub with my favorite brush. Now the laptop is assembled. We will power on this laptop and I will keep holding the option R button to get into the recovery mode. The laptop got power off again, so I'll power on the laptop again and again holding the option R key. We can see the Apple logo. That's a good sign. And voila, we have the progress bar, which means this laptop now don't have any password. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any laptop which you want me to remove the BIOS password from, you can send that laptop to me, or you can just visit my website to reach out to me. Thank you again. See you next time.